What if a truck carrying over 40,000 pounds could still cost less per mile than diesel? That's exactly what Tesla is trying to achieve with the Semi. But how does a factory actually build something this massive at scale? The Tesla Semifactory in Nevada is not one of those old factories running for decades. This place is still new, and many sections are still being set up. Some areas look fully advanced with machines already working, while other sections are still under construction. That mix of finished and unfinished makes the place feel active all the time. Tesla built this factory using lessons learned from its previous factories, improving the layout, speed, and overall workflow. Setting up a factory like this takes time because every machine needs to fit perfectly into the system. Even small delays can affect the entire production line. Watching this factory now is like watching a system slowly come to life, step by step. The idea behind the Tesla Semi is actually simple when broken down. Trucks are only a small percentage of vehicles on the road, but they consume a huge amount of fuel. This makes them expensive to run and harmful for the environment. Tesla saw an opportunity here by switching from diesel to electric power. Electric trucks can reduce fuel costs and lower emissions at the same time. The concept started years ago, with early announcements and prototypes showing up before production was ready. Delays happened, but that's expected when building something this complex. Now, the focus is on scaling production and making the Semi a real business tool. The goal is not just innovation, but also practical savings for companies using these trucks. The production process inside the factory is very different from traditional truck manufacturing. Instead of keeping everything on the ground, Tesla uses overhead systems to move large parts. Massive carriers lift truck components and transport them across the factory. These carriers can handle extremely heavy loads and even adjust their height based on the work being done. This helps workers and machines operate more efficiently without unnecessary movement. The entire system is designed to save time and reduce effort. Seeing huge truck structures moving above the floor is not something usually seen in factories. It shows how Tesla is changing the way manufacturing works by making it more dynamic and flexible. The process begins with the truck's main structure, including the frame and cab. Once this base is ready, it is moved through different stages using the overhead system. One of the early steps is applying coating to protect the metal from damage and corrosion. This also gives the truck its final finish and appearance. After coating, the structure moves forward, where more parts are added gradually. Each step is carefully planned so that everything fits perfectly. Timing is important because each station depends on the previous one. The goal is to keep the process smooth and avoid delays. This stage sets the foundation for the entire truck, making it one of the most important parts of production. One of the most critical steps in building the Tesla Semi is called the battery marriage. This is where the battery packs are attached to the truck frame. The Semi uses multiple battery units that are compact but store a large amount of energy. Unlike regular car batteries, these are designed to handle heavy loads and long distances. During this step, the frame and batteries must align perfectly to ensure safety and performance. Precision tools are used to secure everything tightly. Some parts of this process are still done manually, but automation will increase over time. This step is important because the battery is the heart of an electric truck. Without proper installation, the truck cannot perform efficiently. Even though the factory uses advanced machines, human workers still play a key role. Not every task is fully automated yet, especially during early production stages. Machines handle repetitive and heavy tasks, while humans focus on precision work and problem solving. This balance helps maintain quality while improving speed. Over time, more automation will be added, but humans will still be needed for supervision and complex tasks. The goal is not to replace people, but to make work easier and more efficient. This combination of human skills and machine accuracy is what makes the factory run smoothly. It also allows Tesla to keep improving its production system. Right next to the Semi-factory, Tesla's Gigafactory supplies batteries and key components, keeping everything close. This reduces delays, cuts costs, and allows parts and teams to move easily between both factories. The result is a faster, more efficient system with better control over quality and production. At the end of the production line, every truck goes through a final inspection in a special area called the light tunnel. Bright lights shine on the truck from different angles to detect even the smallest defects. This step ensures that the truck meets quality standards before leaving the factory. For a vehicle as large as the Tesla Semi, the inspection setup has to be equally large. The tunnel is not just functional, but also visually impressive. It highlights the final stage of production, where everything is checked carefully. Once a truck passes this stage, it is ready for delivery. This ensures that customers receive a product that meets Tesla's quality expectations. The Tesla Semi comes in two main versions based on range. One offers around 325 miles, while the other can go up to 500 miles on a single charge. Both versions are designed for heavy-duty transport and long-distance travel. Tesla is also building a charging network specifically for these trucks. Charging a large truck requires more power and faster systems compared to regular cars. This makes infrastructure an important part of the plan. By developing both the truck and the charging system together, Tesla aims to create a complete solution. This approach helps ensure that the Semi can be used efficiently in real-world conditions. The interior of the Tesla Semi is designed differently from traditional trucks. The driver sits in a center position, which improves visibility on both sides. Instead of a standard dashboard, the truck uses digital screens to display information. Cameras replace many of the traditional mirrors, providing better views around the vehicle. This setup makes driving safer and more controlled. The design also focuses on comfort, especially for long-distance drivers. Everything inside is built to improve the driving experience. This new layout may feel different at first, but it offers several advantages once drivers get used to it. Driving the Tesla Semi feels different compared to diesel trucks. One major advantage is instant torque, which allows the truck to accelerate smoothly even with heavy loads. Another feature is regenerative braking, which helps recover energy while slowing down. This improves efficiency and reduces energy loss. The truck is also much quieter, creating a more comfortable driving environment. These changes make long drives less tiring for drivers. Performance and efficiency are both improved, making the Semi a strong alternative to traditional trucks. These features show how electric technology can improve heavy transport systems. Reactions to the Tesla Semi are mixed, with some drivers liking the lower costs and others being cautious about switching to electric and changing routines. Once tested, many drivers start seeing real benefits, while the factory shows a shift toward automation and smarter manufacturing. Production is growing step by step, making electric trucking more practical and slowly changing the industry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.